how to download Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch. So what we want to do is click on the Nintendo eShop here, the icon, and open up the Nintendo eShop. It's going to ask us which account we want to use. So I'm going to use my main one. And right here, after the Nintendo eShop loads, we will simply go to search here in the top left. So I'm going to click on search and then enter keyword. So for the keyword, we'll just type out Fortnite. So Fortnite, like so. And then we're going to click on done. And we're just going to confirm this. Now, this is going to show us a list of all of the Fortnite versions. So currently we have Lego Fortnite and the regular Fortnite. So if we want to get it, we'll just click on it. And it's going to load up a new page like so here. And we can just click on free download to get this game. And we can just confirm it by clicking on free download. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.